Hi guys, it's me, Quayla. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a product that I just got from Amazon. It's actually something that's going to help you kind of work out your pelvic floor area, and I think we should just go right ahead into this topic and get on with it. So as I open this up, I noticed it has a really nice box and it is shrink wrapped, which is awesome. So these are the Kegel exercise blades by Stone Goods. Oh wow, so the box is really nice. I like the packaging. It looks like they, took some time in their packaging and shrink wrapped it and everything. And when you're getting something like this, you want to make sure that it's properly sanitized. So I like the fact that it is in a nice box. So you can get free lube if you go to the website and type in free lube at the end. It does have digital instructions. And this little card just lets you know if you have any issues or anything like that, where to get in contact with them. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Ooh, it feels really good. So this feels really, really soft, and I assume that this here is to help you pull it out when you are done using them. Let's see. Oh, actually, this cord is to adjust the weight. So these Kegel balls feel really good, like to the touch when you put them in your hand. So when you do use them, they are definitely going to be smooth, up against your skin, and it's not going to be abrasive, which is important, So these Kegel balls are perfect if you are having any issues with holding your pee, if you sneeze or cough or anything and you notice that you have a little pee slipping out. You might need to strengthen your pelvic floor, and these are going to be great to help with that. So you guys know about Kegels, right? If you know about Kegels, it's just basically tightening your muscles down there. Sometimes they can be loosened by, childbirth, just, getting a little older, not working those muscles out enough. Things like that can really cause you to have a weakened pelvic floor. So these are going to help you strengthen the area. And they also help you prepare for childbirth. So I learned about Kegel exercises for childbirth, and I learned that they really do help you in the process of giving birth. No matter, if it's your first or your fifth child, they are going to help you. So these are going to be even better because it's going to add a little weight to that process. So it's going to make you, work a little harder than just, contracting those Kegel muscles. These are also going to help you recover from childbirth vaginally. Or if you've had babies before, you know what I'm talking about. You know about the Kegel exercise, you know about using those muscular contractions to help strengthen your pelvic floor and also help you when it comes to contracting and having the children. I was just literally interested in using these for just long-term health, just basically practicing and working out those muscles. And when I saw these, I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and see if, I could get some and, talk to you guys about them, try them out, and see if the company may like me to try them out for them. So here we are. So the box is like super discreet. When you get it, you don't really know what's in there. It actually looks like a jewelry box. So when you receive this, nobody's gonna know that this is for Kegel muscle. Everybody's gonna think, oh, she got a nice little jewelry, she got a nice little bracelet or something like that. So don't forget to go to Stone Goods on Amazon.com to get your Kegel balls, just to kind of help you strengthen those muscles, to work out that pelvic floor, to give you a little weight to practice those Kegel exercises. And that's really good. I mean, that's definitely going to help you out in more than just one way. It'll help you with childbirth. It'll help you strengthen those muscles. It actually will help you with your abdominal muscles as well. So that's a good reason to try Kegels as well as these Kegel balls. I think the thing I also like about the box is that it's so subtle. If you needed to travel with these, if you know what I mean, like if you're using these and you're trying to really work down there, then you could really use this box and be really discreet about it. Nobody's gonna know if it's right in your bag and you're done. So these do come with instructions. If you feel like you're not understanding how to use them, you can get digital instructions of these. It's got 18 pages of instructions. Okay, yeah, I said 18 pages of instructions. So you're gonna have a lot of material to help you use these, even to give you different ways to use them. And I think it's a great idea because honestly, for me personally, I love I love doing Kegel exercises. I do them all the time, and you know what I mean? I just do them. I have done them, and I remember when I had my first child and I had my daughter, they were telling me that, you know, those will help you. From that point on, I've always done them. And even if I'm just sitting here and I'll just do a couple Kegel exercises, because it's something that you can do that you don't necessarily have to go and take away from what you're doing. You can do it while you're at lunch. You can do it while you're at the house. You know, you can do it no matter what you're doing. So that is an exercise that I personally like to make use of. And the fact that it helps to strengthen, I'm actually doing a Kegel contraction right now, and I really feel that in my abdominal area, in my lower abdominal region. So I'm starting to think that maybe I have been not doing my Kegels enough, actually, because I'm feeling it really strong in my lower abdominal region. And because I'm contracting, I really feel like, dang girl, you've been missing. So I'm gonna be trying that, and I'm gonna be trying with the Kegel balls. And it does come with the different weights. So you're gonna come with, it's gonna come with this one, which I assume, this one is actually heavier than this one. And then these two obviously are, actually this one seems to be heavier than, this one seems to just literally be heavier. So they're really smooth, really soft. They're not going to be abrasive. I like that because, you know, I'm a huge fan of Kegel contractions and Kegel exercises. So I know, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna love these. And I know you guys are like, but girl, listen, if you are having any of those issues that I mentioned before, a weakened bladder, a weakened pelvic floor, you know, due to childbirth or just, you know, whatever, then these are gonna work for you. And again, with the fact that I just realized that it helps with my lower abdominal region, I'm sitting here like, girl, what have you been doing? Like, what have you been doing? So anyway, guys, so I'm definitely interested in looking forward to trying these out and seeing how well I like them, because I know I'm gonna like them because I'm a fan of Kegel contractions in general. Like, I literally do them all the time. I just probably could do them more as I keep feeling this abdominal work it's doing. I could definitely increase the amount of Kegel contractions that I do, but I think this right here is even gonna help, because that weight is gonna help you contract more, harder, and that contraction is going to, you know, it's going to vibrate up your muscles, up your abdominal muscles. So now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, I'm like, what have I been doing with my life? I really needed to get it together. I'm super excited to try these out. I'm gonna take a look at the instructions that are located digitally online. I'm gonna find out, I'm gonna read them, read those instructions, go ahead and use these. I read the instructions and everything on how they, you know, recommend they be used. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use those, and I am interested to let you guys know what I think about these Kegel balls. So I do have a coupon code for you guys, and I do have a link where you can find this specific package, which really cute, guys. Look at these colors. These are like my favorite combination of colors. The turquoise with the hot pink and the purple. All I would need is some lime green and I would be in there, okay? In there like swimwear. But I am just really excited to try these out, guys. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Don't forget to check those out, and I will give you guys a coupon code, a discount code as well. Go to Amazon and get these from Stone Goods. And I'm just super excited to give these a try, guys. Don't forget, you go to Amazon, free shipping with Amazon Prime, 15% discount in my description box. And guys, I'm excited to see what results I have with these. I'm definitely gonna come back and check with you guys on these, because honestly, I need them, okay? I feel like these are gonna really, really help me strengthen my abdominal, my lower abdominal. I'm feeling it. I do Kegel exercises all the time, and I think adding these to that is really gonna help me work out some of those muscles down there and the lower abdominal area as well, guys. So I'm super excited to try these out. That is everything for this video. I have nothing else to say, but stay healthy, happy, and always loving. Bye.